guys, I just kind of wanted to throw you a few short little clips of just my thoughts and kind of give you an idea about the basis of our program. And I guess the first thing that I could talk about is the people in general, kind of who we're dealing with, and more specifically, I guess we could talk about the beginning level person. Now, in my experience and in my eyes, the beginning person could be a lot of different things. You know, there could be the person that just starts off from doing absolutely nothing, that typically has like a 9-to-5 job, that sits behind a desk, that has never really exercised and belonged to a gym before. So you could kind of imagine that this is someone that doesn't have like a whole lot of what you would call motor control abilities or motor skills. So to further delineate whether that's the case or not, that's when through questionnaire you'll ask them about like their athletic background and stuff. So this kind of gives you an idea as far as, you know, what they can do and kind of what they can handle. You know, if a person can't necessarily walk a straight line, you're not going to go and ask them to run a zigzagging line, like sort of thing. So when you design like exercise routines, you want to restrict the amount of movements that they can make in terms of like proper form. So that's why machines are great in that case. But at the same time, our goal is always going to be to increase somebody's abilities and to get them to do a little bit more. So that's why with the machines, when, you know, the form is restricted, we're going to try to allow their brains to kind of adapt to movement a little bit more by doing things like alternating arms or using a single-sided type of motion. This requires a muscular connection from your brain to that particular body part in a different way. See, the way that muscles work, it's kind of like a factor, kind of like a job that has like shifts. You want to maintain like 100% production all the time. So you have different workers inside your muscles that are communicated from your brain to that body part. With that being said, what your body tries to do with each one of these new motions is it tries to get new workers involved in what it's doing, but then it also tries to organize the shifts so that not everybody is working at the same time, so we maintain proper production. This allows your body to do and to grow and to adapt in a new, unique way, which gives you more abilities. And that's really ultimately what we're trying to do with exercise, is increase your abilities. And when we talk about exercise and weight loss and ability, we're trying to get you to be able to do more at the end of the day. Go from starting off with a single, again, for example, chest press motion where you're seated, to being able to do a push-up with a rotation, a twist, and a reach, and combining all these things. The more that we get your body to work, the more calories we're going to spend. Ultimately, the more body fat, or we've called it weight loss, which is going to take place. Okay? Hope that helps a little bit. Hope it's not too much. See ya.